Wow. What is it?
Is that a kitchen? Yes?
Yay!
Yay!
Nice job, Mommy.
You like it? Open. Do you like your kitchen? Hot.
Is it hot?
Is it hot? But you put it in the microwave.
You're not supposed to put metal on.
Beep, 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 beep. You like it, Sterling?
Wow.
She knows what to do. Oh, are you going to cook something? You like it? Water? Turn this. Turn these. Turn it. Turn it. Salt. Pepper. Can I put on your apron so you look official? Show Daddy. Look at Dad.
Look at you.
Look, let me see. Let's see. Oh, Sterling. You're cooking in the kitchen.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Can we take a picture with you with our phone? I want to send it to Emma. What are you making? Let me see you. Look at you. Are you cooking? What are you making? What are you making?
You make some breakfast?
Are you going to make pancakes? No.
Yeah.
Can I just
Yes.
put this hat on for one picture? I want to send this picture to Edna real quick. Okay, look at me. Sterling!
Smile, show us your teeth.